Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download Friday Night Funkin' on your PC or laptop, safely and completely free. First, open Google and type in itch.io. That's itch.io. This is a trusted site for downloading and distributing indie games online. Once you're on the official website, look for the search bar at the top and type in Friday Night Funkin'. The first result should be the official Friday Night Funkin' page. Click on it to open the game's page. You'll see all the details about the game, and if you scroll down, you'll find the Download Now button. Now, here's something to note. The game is free, but it gives you the option to support the developers by paying what you think is fair. Even though you can download it for free, I highly recommend donating a small amount, even $1 or $2, to help the creators keep making great content. If you don't want to pay, just click No Thanks, just take me to the downloads. After that, you'll see versions for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Select the one that matches your system. For example, I'll choose Windows 64-bit and click Download. Once the download finishes, open your File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. You'll find the game file there in a .zip format. Right-click the file and choose Extract All. Then click Extract. Wait a few moments until it's done. The extraction might take a bit depending on your system. After that, open the extracted folder and look for the file named Funkin, or FridayNightFunkin.exe. Double-click it and the game will launch instantly. And that's it. You've successfully installed Friday Night Funkin' on your PC or laptop. Enjoy the game, and don't forget to support the developers if you can. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.